System files corrupted by the network connections shell DLL failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. To start our guide for network connections shell, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the network connections shell. It manages the user interface for network adapters in the control panel. It handles the Change Adapter Options view. If missing, users will find the Network Connections folder empty, or will experience a Windows Explorer has stopped working crash when attempting to view Wi-Fi properties. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing network connections shell DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the network connections shell file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The version of network connections and shell DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for network connections shell. If you've regained access to network connections shell thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.